I'm about to do a deep clean, except with all non-toxic DIY cleaning products. I'll share the recipe as I use it so you're not left in the dark, but let's get started. First, I'm loading up the dishwasher with my DIY dishwashing tabs. As promised, there's the recipe. Next, wiping down the countertops with my DIY disinfectant wipes. I use these to clean the countertop, stove, microwave. Now doing dishes with my DIY dish soap. This works surprisingly well and gets really nice and sudsy. After I do dishes, I always like to clean this thing. That was the all-purpose spray with vinegar in it. Now we sprinkle baking soda on top so it bubbles and then scrub it up. And to continue the freshness, we're adding more baking soda and some lemon essential oil. It's my own brand of essential oils. We're organic, top quality, and affordable. And now the all-purpose spray is making her grand entrance. Using it on my windowsills and my desk. Look how beautiful this looks. Did you know I have my own brand of essential oils? We're organic, top quality, and affordable. The all-purpose spray cleans the toilet, vinegar, baking soda, and a scrub for the toilet bowl cleaner. The all-purpose spray can also be a glass and mirror cleaner. Want your bathroom to smell fresh? Put a few essential oils on a cotton ball, throw it in the bottom of your bin. Here's a DIY linen spray. Now it's time for a soap scum remover. This has the tub sparkling clean. Last but not least is a carpet sprinkle, letting it sit and then vacuuming it. All of these recipes can be found in my Make It course. Enjoy!